Hey guys, Derek here at the EZLYNK. Today we're talking about our ELD device, the electronic logging side of the company. This is our Auto Agent 3. This is one of the easiest to use ELD devices that you will find on the market. It's a simple plug and play, no contract. We've got multiple tiers for subscriptions, and it's user friendly and fleet manager friendly. So if you have multiple trucks, you're going to be able to see all of your drivers, all of their logs, where they're at. And if you're a hotshot or a owner operator, same thing. You've got the ability to quickly log in, see your logs, send your logs to the DOT officers, view your pre-trip inspections, and your IFTA tracking as well. So we're going to kind of show you what it looks like. We've got our Auto Agent 3 simple OBD2 connection. If you do have a 9-pin or a semi that's got the 9-pin round or a 6-pin, we do have cable adapters. Be sure to check that out in one of our other videos where we have it. But for now, we're going to kind of show you what it looks like. We're going to get ready for a haul. We've got our Auto Agent 3. We've got our trailer hooked up. We're going to plug it in, show you the setup, kind of what it looks like, and get you guys familiar with us. Now that we've got the Auto Agent 3 plugged into the OBD2 port, we're going to go in and show you how to begin. There's two things that you guys will need to do. You'll need to create you a driver account, which is the login for your ELD app, which is free to download. There's even a simulation mode to where if you're looking to buy it, you can go in and play with it by just downloading the app and seeing how the interface works. And then at that point, you can go in and purchase it if you deem like it's going to be a good fit for you guys. So you'll create the driver login in the driver account. You'll also need to create you a fleet manager account, and that is on our website. To sign up for an ELD subscription, you'll need to go to the EZLYNK.com website. On the top right, you'll see EZLYNK Cloud, and this will be where you'll create a new login, or if you already have one, this is where you'll be able to sign in and see your fleet manager portal. So to start with EZLYNK ELD, create your login, you can use your same username or email address that you used for your driver account, and then create you a password. Since we've already done that, we're going to show you what it looks like. We'll hit login, and then you'll have the ability to view the Fleet Manager portal off to the right-hand side. In our previous videos, we've showed you what a lot of these sidebars do, but to show you how to activate a subscription, we're going to go here to the left-hand side. And then to view your subscription plans, we're going to go under Summary and Compare Subscriptions. So this is going to show you what each tier does and the price that it is. Now these are a no contract, so you can cancel any month and switch from vehicle to vehicle if need be. We're going to go back and we're going to go to the right hand side, hit Manage Subscriptions, add our serial number from the Auto Agent, and then we're going to hit Add Auto Agent, and here we'll be able to select which subscription tier that we want. And we'll add the serial number once again, hit add, and now it's going to give you the tier that it's in. By completing next, you'll see your summary. Since we already have a ELD, DVIR, and IFTA subscription, you'll see our now charge is $50, with this month being the additional charge. Agree to the terms and conditions and hit next. It's that simple, guys. After we've done that and subscribed, we'll go into the connection. So we're going to connect our device to the Auto Agent. We use Wi-Fi with our iOS devices, and we now have the ability to use a USB-C cable to plug in right to your phone. Now you will need cellular so that you can transmit the data back and forth and have that GPS signal there. So we're going to go into our settings. We're going to connect the Auto Agent here, which is the last couple digits of our serial number. Okay, so now that we've connected to our Auto Agent, we're going to go into the ELD app. Now, this is where you'll create you a login for a driver by hitting Create Login. We already have that, so we're going to show you what it looks like. We've got our login and password here. Now you've got the vehicle that we're driving. Today we're in a 25 F450. And because we haven't signed in and we aren't drivers ourselves, we have a bunch of uncertified logs. So this is going to be your dashboard. You'll be able to see your drive time, your cycle, your shift, and your brake. And then in a couple of our other videos, we've gone through and broken down what each of these different sidebars do and mean for you guys, so be sure to check that out. But today we're going to finish loading up, hook up, drive out, and show you what it looks like.